Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to be unboxing / reviewing and setting up the Asus VP278 LCD monitor. This is the 27-inch version, which is 68.660 centimeters, which is roughly around 600mm, and it's a widescreen. This monitor's for gamers. We aren't gamers, but we wanted a really big monitor and we got it at a good price from Amazon, so this is why I chose it. It's got a 1 millisecond trace free, flicker free, ultra low light. It's for gaming. You can wall mount it. It's got energy saving, and obviously it's made by Asus and it's available in black. It supports HDMI and both VGA connections, and the reason why I bought it, which it's because we have a HP laptop here and the person using it wants a much bigger screen. So the way we're going to use it is we're going to plug the monitor in the side, and keyboard and mouse, and put this somewhere. And that's the reason why we bought it, if I'm completely honest. So if we get on with the unboxing. So this has been delivered from Amazon.
By Hermes.
By Hermes, Hermes, delivery service. Asus, I have used Asus stuff before. Asus, sorry. Asus. It's packaged quite well. I'll some stuff out the way a minute. It's just if you're ordering one of these and you wonder what you get and what it looks like, this video will hopefully help you a bit. Okay. So what we got then?
Instructions.
Now I don't know if there's a HDMI cable included. Don't think there is. So here we've got, I think it's got built-in speakers as well. I'm not sure, I'll have to check that out. So we've got obviously a instruction manual here. This looks like a connection type manual, if I'm honest. What else have we got?
2-pin plug.
We've got a 2-pin plug with kettle type connection there. Should be a 3-pin UK plug as well, actually.
Looks like the base.
Looks like the base. So
I'm taking this out as it does reach it.
Metal base. Standard VGA cable. Don't know if we're getting HDMI, but I have got one. We probably won't, to be honest, but have to see. What else have we got in here? Is this, what is this?
Sort of membership notice instruction.
Oh,
booklet.
another thing too, forgot is it's got a 3-year warranty. So yeah, that's quite good. Do you want me to help you?
I'll just slide this down a minute. And
okay. Fine. So we'll obviously pull it out. It's quite a big screen. A bit of well packed with the foam.
that's it.
So there's nothing else in the box. So
Oh, hang on a minute.
oh, is there?
Tucked right at the bottom, whatever that is.
Tucked right at the bottom is a
UK power.
3-pin plug, which obviously you want.
No, nothing else in there at all.
Okay, so there's no HDMI, so if you want to connect it to your HDMI on your graphics card, you couldn't out of the box, but the leads are cheap, so we've got that already. So what we got then? So this is obviously standard stuff they put it in. It's quite a big screen, isn't it? It looks nice as well. It's, I'd say a matte type finish, and if it gets stained you can easily rub it off.
Sort of
Nice Asus logo. Basically the specs on the box are here. Flicker free, good for low light. It's got a stereo speaker built into it, which obviously the that little stereo connection there will work with, but it's got HDMI, so I'd imagine sound must be through that.
Right, so there's the base, and there's a hole there, and 2 holes there.
Two
male
locating
pins,
lugs.
females.
Yeah. So I will hold this up.
And it looks like you just literally pull that bit there.
And it's
turn that.
A twist jobby and then lock down.
Done.
It's got a bit of, so at the bottom it looks like there's like to allow it to film. So
tilts nice and easy as well.
Yeah, so that's about the size of it.
There we are. Now, this 27 inches, they're talking about is
It's diagonally then.
yeah. No, I'm just because so that's there. It's actually from top to bottom.
So from the top, 27. So that's bang on 27.
Yeah.
What's the total width of it, including the casing?
So that's 25 1/4 at 64 centimeters.
Yeah.
And the total
height
the total height from the stand
from the bottom
is say 46.5
or 18 inches.
Yeah, and then the total width just of the screen is say 30 inches, 38 centimeters.
15 inches. Okay.
Right.
So it's got really good energy rating. You might see this type of thing on bulbs. You buy LED, CFL bulbs, etc. It's got a B energy rating, 49 kilowatt hours per annum. Fair enough. So it won't cost a lot to run.
And I bought this. I wanted this basically. As you get a bit older, as most of you know, your eyesight starts failing. So I want this so I can also split the screen, so I can have a document here and a document here, and I can read it easily instead of trying to focus in all the time. So that's really why it was a bargain price.
I mean, we could have bought a cheaper screen, but we got this on offer. We had a gift voucher. We decided to buy something a little bit better than what we needed, and hopefully it works all right for us. I'm sure it will do.
These come off without leaving any marks, which is quite nice.
So it tells you it's HDMI at the bottom. Yeah. We'll have a look at the back in a minute.
I'll just take this off. See how easy it is to take all this off. Very easy. Comes off, no problem. There's some sticky stuff on there. Probably should take. I'll leave that on there for a minute. Probably should take that off to start with.
Let's just flip it round. Just have a look at the back, because obviously the connections on something like this is important for people. So if we put it on its front,
yeah.
So we've got your standard power at the bottom there, which is obviously fed from the end of that thing there on the plug. That's it, simple. HDMI 1 and 2, VGA port, and stereo jack, and it's got some details on the back about safety and the standard stuff.
How long's your buttons underneath?
It's obviously got control buttons. Got your cool air in at the bottom. Obviously rises up, a few vents there, and comes out the top. It looks a lot like an Apple Mac type of design, where they've got the coolant at the bottom. The convection is drawing it up and out. So okay.
These things at the back here will be for wall mounting.
I think they call this a vase mount or visa mount. Yeah. So, and they look like there's little plugs in them.
But if I've taken one out, there's a small screw. We're going to have it stood up for the moment, so I can adjust the.
But you can buy these in pairs, and you have a real nice setup if you wanted to.
Right, so that's the back looked at. There's something there, I'm not sure.
That is a bit of kit you could buy to go in there and it locks, so someone can't steal your monitor if you've got it at a business or school, etc.
Okay.
What else is there? So if you could do a comparison against the 15-inch laptop screen, just to show
the difference,
the size, because obviously if you're buying it, you want to know how big it's going to look. That's sort of, it is quite considerably bigger. So that is.
Wow. So
is that a 15-inch? Just measure that just to make sure. So that is.
Yeah.
15. So that is a 15-inch HP laptop screen, and we're going to 27.
Yeah. So it means I can literally split this into two. Windows 10. We'll probably show you how to do that, so you can have two screens on there. Yeah. Yeah. You can see why I bought it. It's just.
So I might add a bit onto this video showing the screen running and just the menu options.
It's beneficial. It's higher up as well for somebody using it. You know, it's more in line with your eyes when you sat down, whereas that's, laptops, you're always looking down. Yeah. Whereas that is, you don't got to bend your neck, so it's better for you. Yeah. In case you're wondering about the decor in here, we're in our workshop. It's not a house, so if the walls aren't finished quite so well, it's because we're not actually in a house. Yeah, we're in our right. Thanks for watching. Head office, really. Oh yeah, welcome back. So we've got the Asus monitor set up, plugged in via HDMI onto the laptop. We've got the stereo connector in, a couple of USB for the keyboard and mouse. We want it to run like a desktop computer sort of thing. HDMI there, network. That just goes into the back. Quite a few cables. Quite a big screen difference from that to that.
you've got buttons along the bottom here. You press that, and then when you press the button, basically there's other buttons underneath, and they then let you do. So that one there, well then, so if I press that again, that one there will then quit it. And if I press this one here, that one there is for brightness and things like that, and source selection. And you've got your brightness there. Basically, when you press a button, the icons come up and you press the corresponding buttons that match to it. But it's really easy to use. Just got YouTube homepage loaded up here. The details are really good on it.
What sound quality is like? So it's got built-in speakers, isn't it?
Yeah. And so if you're wondering what it's like when it's set up, can't play any sort of music on it, obviously because of copyright reasons.
Perhaps play one of our videos.
But if I can find something. Next base, one of our dash cam review videos. Dash 112. Dash cam. Here we go. This is this one here. This is me in the. So.
What's like blowing up full screen?
Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of my videos. So I've got the dash cam. So that's it, full video. Follow-up video to the unboxing I did, and I'll link the unboxing in the description of this video. So we just play a bit of video of actually dropping the dash cam. So yeah, it's, to be honest, it's pretty nice.
It's crystal. Really is a
really nice screen.
I understand why gamers use it. We won't be using it.
We won't use it for gaming because obviously we've got the just plugged in a laptop for a bigger screen, keyboard and mouse, you know, that sort of thing. But yeah, it's really nice monitor. And the viewing angles, whether you're stood at the side or left or right, it's still the same.
Yeah, detail.
Same thing.
Is yeah, everything. Everything
really easy to set up. Working fine at the moment.
To be honest, this might be a bit of cliche, but it is like looking out your window. There's no flicker on it at all. You know, because we're seeing it sort of live. The monitor, the video might be different on the phone, but where I'm sitting,
yeah, well, internet's not the fault.
Clear as anything. It's clear as anything. Like
so that was some dash cam footage, and it's, as you can see, it's you could watch films on it, couldn't you?
Yeah, if
you could easily watch films, and for gaming, I bet it's brilliant.
Yeah, if you're
it's actually
in your kitchen looking out your window, that's what it looks like. It's as clear as that.
It's actually bigger. I've got to say, it's bigger in person than it looks on the camera. If I'm honest, the camera makes things look a little bit smaller than they are, but yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, it's excellent. Huh?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.